Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Pump wallet address on Binance so you can transfer your Pump from your wallet or other exchange to Binance and you can trade your Pump. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced here. You can click it. And then you can choose on chain deposit. And then you can search Pump. And this one, you can click it. And then you can choose the network. The available network is only Solana. So you can just choose Solana. And then this is your Pump wallet address on Binance. So you can copy it or scan it. And then you can send your Pump from other wallets to Binance. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.